willkommen at the Milsburg. This is a Jag F-Type, as you know, 3.0 liter V6 engine with 380 horsepower and 4-wheel drive. I was a Jag fan, and that's why I had the S-Type, the X-Type, the XJ, the XKR-S, and now finally the F-Type. Yeah, it was a nice time. I drove it 20,000 kilometers. I can also tell you that it was so expensive because it was like 1,400 Swiss francs for 1 year warranty, extended warranty, and a free service. So that's the price of 1 year, apart from the tires, of course. So look at this beautiful design. I go a little in the back because the design speaks by itself. So, hello and welcome in the interior of this Jag. We have the roof open and now we close it, then you also hear better the sound. It's about how many seconds? You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's closed. Now the windows come, and yeah, they are quite comfortable seats and practical, everything to use. One has many possibilities about the driving sound. So with this is less noisy, in D is less noisy, without this is less noisy. So you can change the sound of the engine very well. Yeah, it's a special interior. If you have a look maybe to this system, if I turn on now, it pops open. This is a nice feature, especially when the car was new. And you close it, it closes back down, and then you have another look here maybe, how nice the Jag looks. And it's easily reachable. The buttons is climate control, very easy. Everything here looks like in a fighter jet or in the Lamborghini a little here. Look, the touches here. This is lots of plastic, which, yeah, well, it became even more plastic in the new one. That's why I didn't get another one. This one I just sold. But I had a nice time, about 20,000 kilometers. And you see, it can drive slowly and smooth and not too loud. Critics say that there's not enough space in the back, but I say there is. I mean, it's not lots of space, but they say golf clubs don't suit. So I got some golf clubs and tried, and it works, you know. You get the golf clubs in here, the whole bag, and this is no problem. Yeah, I can recommend the car. I would get it second hand because you get good prices and still good quality, and I had no problems. And yeah, enjoy driving and see you in my next video.